Hello and welcome to Coastal Experts. We have today with us Dr. Michael Huntley with Coastal Empire Plastic Surgery. Now today we're going to talk a little bit about the midsection, and I know there's a couple of surgical options, liposuction or tummy tuck. How do you know which of the surgical options to choose?
Liposuction applies to folks who've got good quality skin with no significant stretch marks. If the skin's stretched and excessive, if there's a roll of skin that you can grab hold of, then that means that skin has to be removed to get a good result. If the skin quality is great with good elasticity, then liposuction is an option. What you're doing is removing the fat from under the skin, and you're relying on the elasticity of the skin to tighten things up.
Now, there are non-surgical options available. One of them is SculpSure. Tell us about those options.
SculpSure is a non-invasive technique of fat removal. It's a laser device. It goes through cycles of cooling and laser application, 10 seconds off, 20 seconds on for a 25-minute period. It's applicable to all areas where there's problem areas of excess fat: arms, bra line fat, tummies, hips, thighs. All of those areas can be treated. Today we're talking mainly about the midsection, and it's good for that midsection area too.
Now, once I've had the procedure, whether it's a surgical procedure or the SculpSure, what are the odds of the fat coming back to that area?
Fat cells reach a maximum number about 15 years of age, and you don't produce new fat cells after that age. So if the cells are removed by laser technology or surgery, they're gone for good. So you'll never see the same accumulation in that same area after these treatments.
Now, I've read about a newer procedure about ThermoSmooth Body. Tell us about that procedure.
ThermoSmooth is a radio frequency energy device. It's like a massaging tool that goes over the skin. We apply a lubricant to allow it to move, and it heats up the dermis and the subcutaneous layer that's being treated. And it's primarily for reorganizing collagen, tightening the collagen in the skin and the subdermis, and it can help with wrinkling and help tighten up the skin.
And I know you mentioned that it's relaxing, like having a massage, right?
Exactly, yes.
So that's great, a massage and a procedure at the same time. Now, when I have one of these procedures, how does my lifestyle affect the recovery period?
Surgical procedures generally take a little bit of downtime. If you're doing a major tummy tuck, you're going to be out of action for about a week, with work. But usually after that, you're back in action. You can function pretty well. It takes probably about 6 to 8 weeks to see the full benefit from a major surgical procedure. Some of the non-surgical procedures like SculpSure that we were talking about, again, the results come on gradually from 6 to 12 weeks is what to get the best outcome. But with those techniques, there's no downtime at all. You're up and moving and walking around, out back to work after lunch, that type of thing.
One of the things that is so good about working with Coastal Empire Plastic Surgery is the treat to complete philosophy, where you all work with patients till they get the results that they desire. And you can see from our before and after pictures, there are some terrific results. If you have questions for Dr. Huntley, go to WSAV.com, click on Coastal Experts and submit your questions, or you can reach out directly to Dr. Huntley at Coastal Empire Plastic Surgery.